We have with us former India skipper who captained India in the 1992 World Cup, 1996 World Cup and 1999 World Cup, Mohammed Azharuddin, who is the Congress candidate in the Jubilee Hills constituency for the upcoming Telangana polls. Azhar, 3 last quick questions. As you are in the elections, India is also in the semi-finals,
Yes.
unbeaten.
Yes.
And unbeaten Rohit Sharma led
Yes.
team, 9 out of 9 wins.
Yes.
They did on New Zealand. Are India favorites to win the
I
World
think
Cup?
India is very favorite to win the World Cup.
Why?
The way they are playing, I mean, they have good combination. The batting is good, fielding is good, and then the bowling is good. All the departments are playing. All the departments are in sync, and hopefully, inshallah, in our Jubilee's constituency, everybody pulls up together. We will win with the big margin.
Jai Congress! Jai Congress! Jai Congress! Assam Gurtuke!